how this is how we jive from mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have some Christmas light for you. This is curtain light with 240 leads. I think height here you see is written is 3 meter wide, 2 meter height in this case. 16 lines of light you have here, curtain lights. Obviously surely made in China here, production of China, guarantee and other things. So let me take this up. Before that, the price of this product from $10 to $20 where you are. Okay, could be more expensive, cheaper I don't think so, but more expensive possible. You can see here the light. Take this off from the box. They are big, almost 240 lights. So there are a lot of lights in this case. You see, beautiful. I prefer this one than the other one. Now you have one slim light. That's so much difficult to arrange. This one is more comfortable. You can see lovely plug. This is Latin American plug. You can ask for European American plug as well. That will be easy. Here you have a controller. It should have 8 modes, so you can check. You see here 8 modes you can change. You click one after another, change the modes. Lovely. So you can see here this curtain light with 240 lights in this. So this is a button. You can change the mood of blinking. You can control. So this is without any music, because music sometimes bothers you. And no battery. You connect with the plug directly. And this is 400 lights we have there. This is almost 240. So lovely. You can see here how beautiful they are. Golden color. They look beautiful, more royal, more classic than white. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.